Hello guys, this is Boat Gaming headset. I purchased this headset in Boat website for 2800 rupees. This is Immortal 700. This is mainly made for PC. You will get USB cable, but you can use this for mobile as well, but with limited features. I'll talk about that in couple of minutes. In this video, I'm going to talk about this headset completely. Please do check this video until end. Inside box we don't get any other accessories, we just get this headset alone. When we talk about design and build quality of this headset, here you can see this ring is completely made up of metal. Here this cup is made up of plastic. Here you can see the logo, and this is mic. This is not removable, but we can move this to any direction. Here you can see cushion material is provided. This is of medium quality. When you put headset over your head, so this area will be protected by that cushion. You won't feel much pressure. You can use this headset for long hours. Clamping force of this headset is very good. When you put this headset over your ears, here you can see it will cover completely. Even fit is also very good. Here they have provided very soft cushion. Quality of this cushion is good when compared to this one. Size of this headset can be easily changed. You will get around 6 levels. According to your fit, you can select any level. It will lock there instantly. This headset comes with very good length USB cable. I think this is around 5 meter length. On wire you can see there is a new extra layer added using the braided thread. So this will help to protect inside wire from any damages. Here we have all the controls. This is used to control volume, and this button used to control microphone. You can turn on or turn off microphone using this button. And we have one more button to control RGB light, and we have red light indicating microphone. This will show whether the microphone is on or off. There are around 5 modes for RGB lights. First is red color, then green and blue and pink. Then we can turn off lights. Finally multicolor. Generally in gaming headsets we usually see big size drivers because bass is very important while playing games. In most of the games we hear loud sounds like blasting, shooting. To get a good experience of these sounds we need big size drivers. That's why headsets like this will look very bulky. This headset comes with 50mm drivers. Bass is very good. It also comes with 7.1 virtual sound system because when you are playing games you need to know from which direction sound is coming so that you can pinpoint your enemy location precisely. It's something like you are in the middle of the game. So that feature is available in this headset. You need to enable that using Boat plugin. This 7.1 virtual sound system feature is only available for PC because you need to enable using Boat plugin. You cannot use this feature in mobile. Mic quality of this headset is very good. This also comes with noise cancellation feature. You need to enable in Boat plugin. I will add the audio clip with and without noise cancellation at the end of this video. Now we will see how to install Boat plugin. Open this link in your browser. I added link in the description. If you scroll down you can see lot of drivers available for different models. Click on download under Boat Immortal 700. Click on download anyway. Zip file will get downloaded. Extract the zip file. Now search for the setup file inside the folder. Run this setup file. Follow next steps as shown here. When you see this pop-up, connect your headset to PC. Click on OK. Software will get installed in your system. Now open Boat plugin labz. This is the home page. Here you can see speaker controls and mic controls. Under mic controls we have different options. We have volume control, sample rate, equalizer, environment effects, 7.1 virtual speaker system, sing effects, surround max. Under mic options we have volume control, sample rate, sing effects, noise reduction. Under speaker options, go to 7.1 virtual speaker system. Click on checkbox to enable. Here you can change the layout of speakers according to your requirement. Click on home button to reset. Now under mic select noise reduction. To test the mic quality of this headset, first I recorded the audio without noise reduction. Then I enabled noise reduction feature and I recorded the same audio. Here are the results.
This is audio sample from board gaming headset Immortal 700. This is without noise cancellation. Near me fan is running at high speed. There are other background noise as well. This is audio sample from board gaming headset Immortal 700. This is with noise cancellation. Near me fan is running at high speed. There are other background noise as well.
After checking audio files, we can see that mic quality is good, but noise reduction feature is not helping that much in reducing background noise. Overall, this headset is suitable for PC. We can make use of all the features available in this headset. You can also use this for movies, music and virtual meetings. You can connect this headset to mobile through adapter, but you will miss all the features available through both plugin. After connecting this headset to mobile, you may feel uncomfortable while playing games. So I won't recommend this headset for mobile. If you are looking for a budget gaming headset, check out this product definitely. I added the link in the description. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.